stepping with the right foot. You're going to go 1, slide. So while doing that, when you're stepping with the right feet, you're going to clip in. So you're going to go clip and then swing. So you want to make this C shape. So you're going to go in, step, in, and then clip out. So you clip in and just out. So your hands are just going like 1, swoosh. Yeah. So 1, 2. And you're going to be stepping with your right feet. 1. You're just making a peacock. So you're going to go clip, 2, 3, and you're going to do a 360 turn all the way. So again, 1, 2, 3, turn from your right. And then you're going to be stepping with your left foot first. You're going to go 1, 2. So your left feet first. So you're going to go clip in, out, and you're going to reach towards your left corner and your right corner. And look. So again, so you're going to go 1, 2, 3, out. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're turning, right? And then you're going to step with your left feet. You're going to go in, out, left corner, right corner. And this side you're going to look, and then you're going to clip. So when you clip, your hip is going to go up. So you're up here. And then what you're going to do is clip your up hand. You're going to go 1, and your hip goes up. So you're going to go 1, and you're going to do a time. So your hand is just like a rack here. And you're going to put your 2 fingers on your wrist. So you're going to reach up, and then down. Up, down. Yeah. Down. So you're going to go this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So after 1, 2, you're still tippy-toed. You go 1, 2. You're going to be doing this pose. So you're just gonna 1. So yeah. So you're turning, right? So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2. You can step with your left feet again. 2. And you're gonna do this pose, and you're gonna just 1, 2. So let's do that again. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and you're just gonna go hip out, in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's do that with the music. So either way, you can just go 1, 2, or you can just bring in hips. So you're gonna 1, 2, and you're gonna clip out 1. So you're gonna clip out 1 to your left shoulder. Bring, yeah, just 1, 2. So it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're gonna go clip out, in, down, up. So you're stepping with your right feet when you do that. So you're gonna go out. So your hand is out, in, down, up. Okay.
Mama she do có lộ tao ý hay
So again. So from the beginning, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, turn, left, out, reach to the left corner, reach to the right corner. You're going to go click out, do the time, and your feet like this. You're going to go like this. You're just going to 1, 2, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the whole song.
Mama she do,